Welcome to SimLab Academy. SimLab Academy is a built-in user guide system for learning all of SimLab features and workflows in an intuitive way, covering all from basics to advanced tutorials. Let's choose one of the categories. Then we can open one of the tutorials. The tutorial provides a complete set of resources and assets to recreate the scene, such as starting environment, videos, 3D models, sound files, and more. All sorted into steps. The videos will guide us how to use these resources and how to build the experience.